Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online CRT classes. Today we are going to discuss about Vedic Math Part 6. So up to this, we discussed many tricks, and even last class we discussed about the squares value and base number of multiplications, square numbers, square root of numbers. So once again, I just recap the two uh, square roots and the square values with a one example. Then we start today's. We are going to see cube of the numbers, how we are going to cube numbers and cube root of the numbers. Okay, I'll just recap that two topics: square of the two numbers and square root of the number. Okay, square of the number. Okay, take for example 32. First, to square that number, what we'll do here, what's the first step here? So take the individual square numbers of the given number. So 3 square is 0, 9, and 2 square is 0, 4. So I'm just writing here, this number is nothing but 0, 9, 0, 4. Okay, and after that, what we'll do? So this is a square, right? Square. So how many digits is there? 3, 2, and 2. 3 into 2 into 2. Why this 2 here? It is nothing but square value. Okay. So 6 into 2, 12. So leave about the first number. Just write this 12 here. Then add this 4, 2, 9 plus 1, 1, 0. Carry. 1 is carry. No. 1, 0, 24 is a number. Right? So whatever the number if you are taking, just write the individual square value first of all. First individual square value. Then multiply these two numbers with these two. 2 into 2 into 2, 12. Then leave about the first one, first digit. Just leave about this one. Then add this 2 here. It is 4, it is 2, 9 plus 1, 0, 1, 0. 1 always carry in mathematical. Okay. And 1, 0, 24. This is a one example for square value. And come to the square root. We'll check the square root. Not only the square root for not only 4 digits, you can take even 3 digits also. For example, square root of 25281. What I said, first of all, it will come, but actually by using the 25, 35, 45 square values, by using the first method, the 5 ending number is there, right? That is more easy than this. Okay. And even guys, I want to say one thing. So this is the easy one. Okay. This is the easy one. But what we discuss 40 to 60 and 90 to 110 square value, we discuss in other method, right? So that is more easy compared to this. Okay. So this one is a normal numbers, I mean remaining numbers, but 40 to 60 and 90 to 110, it is more easy, which we already saw the method, right? And then you know that 25, 35, 45 squares also. So that is more easy compared to this. Okay. We have to follow which one is easy, which one is consumption less time. That you need to follow. Okay. And clearing, sorry, actually square number, right? Square root of the number. What's the square root of the number I given? 252 to 52 81. So first of all, you need to do divide the number first 2 digits and remaining number is a one part. So this is one part and this is one part. So here, what's the unit digit? It is 1. We know 1 will represent either 1 or either 9. See here. For example, here I given. So this is unit digit 1 will get, and here also 1 will get. Here also 4 will get, here also 4 will get. Here 9, here 9. Here 6, here 6. So this is the special one. Okay. So for 4 and 6, it is a unit digit is 6. 3 and 7, unit digit is 9. 2 and 8, unit digit is 4. 1 and 9, unit digit is 1. So here, what is the unit digit? 1. That means we'll get either 1 or 9 in two parts. First number, unit digit number, either 1 or 9 will get any one. And come to this one. So remaining part, this is which one is the closest square number of this one? So 252. 15 square is 225. 16 square is 256. So which one is closer? 15, right? 15, just take the 15. Now we know that one number is 15. It is fixed. It is fixed. Then we have to take 1 or 9 we have to take. So which one we are going to take? By using the multiplication with next number. 15 is there. What's the 15th the next number? 16, right? So 15 into 16, it is nothing but 240. What's the next number of 15? 16. That will get 240. Okay, 240. Then check this number, given number. This is the given number. 252. 252 is greater than or less than of this number. Is a greater than. So greater than means always you have to take 9. Even equal to, greater than or equal to, also you have to take greater value. If it is less, suppose it is less than 240, 236 is there, 236 is there. Then here also 15 only. 15 square is 225. Here 236, 81 is there. For example, for 81, 1 or 9, and this is 15. So which one I have to take? This one or this one? So 236 is the given number, is less than 240. Less than 240. That means you have to take 1. So 15, 1 for this number, 159 for this number. Okay. Clear? Just compare the number after multiplication, next number, then it is less or larger. If it is larger, go with the larger number. If it is less, go with the less number. That's it. So that is the square root of the numbers. Then today we are going to discuss about cube numbers, cube of the numbers. So here we have a 3 models. Here I have a 3 models. First model is starts with 1. Starts with 1. Okay. Now, listen carefully. I have less time. I need to cover this cube numbers and cube root also. So, a little bit faster I'll teach, but listen carefully. First of all, you need to know these numbers. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, up to 9 cube. Okay. First of all, you need to know these numbers. Is it clear? So you have to by heart, maybe you just remember, however it will be. You need to know this up to at least 1 to 9 numbers. Okay. Then after, model 1 starts with 1. Suppose the 1 means 1 to 19. Take the 12 number. Okay, 13 number. Okay, 13. How we are going to find out the cube root of this? Sorry, cube number of 13. So I have a 13, right? Write the number in individual. 1 and then 3 and then second number. What is the second number here? 3, right? So 3 square. What is the 3 square? 9. Right? And then 3 cube. What is the 3 cube? 27. So like that you have to write. First of all, model number 1 starting with 1. 1, 3, 1, 2, 11, 12, 13 up to 19. Okay. So first of all, write this number like this. 1 I written, 3 I wrote, and then 3 square. This 3 square I'm just writing here 9, and 3 cube I'm just writing here 27. So 4 numbers I'm just writing like this. Then after this, sorry. Then here, just double this number, and this and this. Leave about the first one and leave over the last one. Okay, double this number. 9 double, nothing but into 2. Okay, 9 into 2, 18. 18. 3 into 2. It's nothing but 9. Sorry, 6. I'm mistaken. It is 6, right? Then just add the numbers, all the numbers. Add all the numbers. 27. But only single digit you have to take, ma. Okay, single digit. In mathematical, always the next number will be carry. So 27, how we are going to write? 2 here, 7 here, right? 7. And then 2 is a carry. 18 plus 2, 20 plus 9, 29. 2 here and 9 here. Now, 5 plus 6, 11. 1 here, 1 here. 1 plus 1, 2. So 2197 is the answer. Is it clear how I am doing? So first of all, we have to add this. Just write 1, 3, and 3 square is 9. 3 cube is 27. Then double this middle numbers. Middle 2 numbers is only. Leave over the first number, leave over the last number. Just double this number and double this number. Then just add it. But you need to remember one important point. If you are adding, then take only first digit. The second digit, maybe 3 digits, maybe 4 digits. It will be carry forward to the next number. So 7 I am taking here, 2 is a carry. And 9 I am taking here, 2 is a carry. And 1 I am taking here, 1 is a carry. This is the answer. Okay, we'll check one more problem, then we can easily understand. Okay. Now take 1, which number I can take? 17 will take 17. Okay. Now 17, how we are going to write? First 1 and then 7 and then 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. And then 7 cube. What is the 7th cube? 343. 343. Now, I'll just take it. Now, what I said, I just do this double of the number. Double of the number. Okay. 7, 14, and 49. It's nothing but 98, right? 98. Now, add this. So here I said only one digit you have to take, right? So 3 I am taking here. So 34 is a carry here. 34 I am writing here. Now 34 plus 49, it's nothing but 83. 83 plus 98, it is almost 100 and 83. 100 plus 83. Sorry, 183, right? Sorry, 181. 181. So 18 I am writing here. 1 I am writing here. Okay. And 18 plus 14. 18 plus 14 is nothing but 32. Plus 7. 39. So 3 I am writing here and 9 here. And 1 plus 3, it is nothing but 4. So 4913. 17 into 4913 is the answer. Okay, is it clear? So first of all, what we have to do? 17, I like 1, 7, 7 square, 49, then 7 cube, 4, 343. You should know these numbers, ma. You should know these numbers. Then only it is possible. Okay. Then double this number. 49 is nothing but 98 and 7 is nothing but 14. Just add. But remember, first digit only you have to take. Only one digit. The remaining is a carry. Remaining is a carry like this. Okay. Is it clear? First model. Now we'll go for the second model. So here ends with 1. So ends with 1 like 21, 31 and so on up to 91. 1 ends with 1. Okay, we'll check these 3. Otherwise, we'll check like this. Okay, we'll check all these three. Just write same procedure in a model one only, same procedure, but here you should write in a right hand side, from the right hand side. From the right hand side first, one, right hand side. Okay, then 2, then 2 square 4, 2 cube 8, like this. Like this, I written here. See what I write: 1 here, 2 here, and 2 square 2 square is 4, and 2 cube is 8. In a right hand side, from this way I written 1 here and 2 here and 2 square 4 here, then 2 cube 8 here. So I got 4 digits, right? Then same as it is, double of this number, double of this number. 2 square, sorry, 2 double 4, 4 double 8. Then add 1, it is nothing but 6. It's nothing but 12. 1 carry, 2 here, 8 plus 1, 9. So this is the answer. How easy it is. Just write the numbers in the reverse order, and then not reverse order, from the right side onwards, then double the middle numbers. Leave over this one, leave over this one. Just add it. Okay. Now we'll check for this one. 41. So it is nothing but okay, I'll write this from starting. So 4 square 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 64. 4 square is nothing but 16. And it's 4. This one. See, this is what the number for 41. 4 1 in a right hand side. 4 1 4, and then 16. 4 square is 16. 4 cube is 64. Okay, then what I said, just double the number, middle numbers. 4 is there, then 8, and 16 is there, 32. Separate. Okay, 32. Then add this 1, 8 plus 4, it is 12. 16 plus 32, 48 plus 1, 49. 4 here, it is 64 plus 4, 68. So this will be the answer. Okay, hope you understand, guys. Okay, then we just find out the 91, and if you have any difficulty, just raise your hand after the class. Okay, then we'll go for the third model, model number 3. It's nothing but same number, like 22, 66. Take these two numbers. Okay, two models. First 2 2, it's nothing but, here this is more easy, actually more easy. So whatever the given number is, if it is the two numbers are same, if they ask to find out the cube number, 22 whole cube is nothing but, just write one, take any one number. 2 is a 2, both are same, right? Take 2 cube, what is it? 2 cube 8, again 8, again 8, again 8. Just 4 times of the one number cube. One number cube is nothing but 2 cube only. 2 cube 8, 2 cube 8, 8, 8. Like this 4 times you have to write. 4 times. And then same method. Double this number. 16. double this number 16, then add 8, 16 plus 8, 24, 24, and 16 plus 8, 24 plus 2, 26. So 8 plus 2, 10. It is the answer. See how simple it is. If double number is there, just take one number, cube number, just like cube number. 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube. And then we'll check with another example also with a 6. So what's the 6 cube? We need to know first of all. 216, 216, 216, 216, 216. So I'm writing 4 times. 4 times. Then write the middle number, double that. 216 and 216, 432, right? 432. And then 432. Then add these numbers, all the numbers. Okay, right? Now, see. So just add these numbers. What I said, you have to take only first number in the first digit, right? This is 6. 6. And 21 is a carry. Now, 21, 432 plus 216. 216 is nothing but 468 plus 21. It's nothing but 669. 6 here, 9 here. Okay. And 66 plus 432. 432 plus 216 is nothing but 714. So 71 here, 71 here, 4 here. Okay. Now 71 plus 216, 287, 287. This will be the answer for 66 cube. 287, 496. But you need to know the cube numbers, then double it, then addition. Addition, if you are doing a fast, then it is not a matter. Okay. Then this is how the same number, model 3. Now come to the last one. Last model, the model 4. So different numbers are remaining numbers. You can say remaining model are different numbers. Okay. No. No. Check. Oh, any one number you just take, 24 cube. So how we are going to find out this one? Just listen carefully. It is not like that. It is somewhat different. Okay. First of all, take the 2 cube. Take this 2 cube. What is that? 8. Okay, then next 4 cube. Next 4 cube. It is somewhat difficult. Okay. Somewhat different and difficult. Okay. Now, first step, it is one number square 8 and another number square is 64. Sorry. Cube of this cube of 2 number and cube of 4 number. Then in middle, 2 into 4. 2 into I'm sorry. This first number is there, right? First number square into 4. First number square into second number. First number is 2. 2 square is 4. 4 into 4, 16. I'll write with the different 16. Okay. And another one. Second number square into first number. Like this. Okay. 4 square is 16 into 2. It's a number 32. Now, Now I got the 4 numbers. Just same here also. Now you just double this number. It is 64 and this is 32. Then add that all 60. Only 4 I am taking here and 6 is carry here. So 6, 64 and 32. It's nothing but 96 and 1 or 2. 1 0 here and 2 here, and it is nothing but 48 plus 10, 58. 58. 5 here, 8 here. 5 plus 8, it's nothing but 13. To find out the numbers, first of all, what we have to do? First, take the first digit, or you can maybe just take this one, first digit, this one is second digit. Okay, first digit cube, second digit cube, write this, and middle, first digit into first digit square into 2. First digit square, 4 square, 16 into 2, 32. And second digit square, 4 into first digit, 16. So that you have to write the 4 numbers. After getting the 4 numbers, same step. Okay. This is a model 4. We'll check one more problem here. Then go for the next step. Okay. Next, take 48. 48. Okay, then first number square. Sorry, first number cube. What is the cube? 512. 512. And second number cube. It is nothing but 64. In middle, what you have to do? 8 square. 8 square is 64. 64 into 4. 64 into 4. It is nothing but 256. 256. Now 4 square, 16 into 8, 128. 128. Now I got the 4 digits. Now just double this number. It's nothing but 512. It's nothing but 256. 256. Then, so you people will think it is difficult, but it is maximum reduce the coverage number. Take the first digit as is 2, and then 51 is carry here now. 51 is a carry. Now add 256 plus 512. 512. It's nothing but it is 8 and it is 6. It is 7. 768. 768 plus 51. It's nothing but 819. 81 here, 9 here. Okay. 81 is carry now. Now 256 plus 128. It is nothing but 4. 4. 7 plus 2. It's 384. It is 384 plus 81 is it? 81. So 465. 46 here, 5 here. So 64 plus 46. It's nothing but 110. So answer will be 110592. So if you have practiced some more problems, then people will you can find out this one. Okay. This is about the cube numbers. Okay, cube numbers is somewhat having the more models and more steps. But come to the next trick. It is damn easy, that one, cube roots. How we are going to do cube roots. So any one number, you just take it, any cube root. Cube root of, just listen carefully. I'm just giving only 2 examples for this one. Okay. 3, 1, 4, 4, 32. 32. And we know this, the cubes of this number. Okay. Same as easily, right? Just that's going to clear here. So cube root of number also you require this one. You require this one. Okay. What's the cube number I given? It is 314,432. Now you just check. It's just like a square values. But here 1 for 2 it is 8, 3, 7, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 3, 8, 2, 9, 9. So here the repeating numbers is nothing but 1 for 1 only, 4 for 4 only, 5 for 5, and 6 for 6, and 9 for 9. Same numbers will get. And for 2 it is 8, for 8 it is 2, and for 7 it is 3, for 3 it is 7. So like this we are getting. Okay. Now divide 3 numbers because it's a cube root, right? Divide 3 numbers. Here 3, here 3. Now check this last number 2. 2 it means either 8 or 2 will get, right? Either 2 or 8 will get. Now check this one. Check this number. What's the nearby value of this one? 314. 314 is nothing but 216. Now 216 is nothing but 6. So you have to take 62 or 68. So always just check this number. So this is nearby value of 343, right? So nearby value of 343, just take the big one, 68. Okay. And so like this you have to do the cube root values. Just divide the 3 numbers, then